Here's the deal. I need this area clear ASAP. Keep it clean, efficient, and quiet. We don't need to complicate this any more than it needs. Heads up, you got trouble. More tangos inbound.
Move in! Let's take this guy down! Let's go, get him! Got nowhere to run! Show you! You better not run for me, bitch! Guess again, asshole! We're not gonna wind up like those other guys! Oh, fuck no, we're not going in there! How stupid do you think we are? Fuck that! We're staying.
Okay, asshole. Let's play.
Stay in cover, guys. No way we're. What the hell is this shit? You want to play games now? Buddy, wait till I catch you. No way we're sticking our necks in there. You hear me, tough guy? You picked the wrong guy to mess with, buddy. I'm just... You know what, asshole? Come on out. It's over here. Goddamn! Oh, hell no. No way we're going in there. How about you come to us instead? Playing with. How stupid do you think we are? We're not going in there. Why don't you come out instead? What? Hell, you think I'm that stupid? I ain't going in there.
Any sign of hostiles, report location immediately. Radio check. All units report in. Unit 2, what's your location?
I'm reading reinforcements headed your way. Prepare yourself.
Oh, shit. No way. Stay. You're gonna have to do better than that. You think we're gonna go marching? Okay, asshole, game on. Close in, I got him covered. Fuck. He's not there, guys. When I catch you, I'm gonna kick your ass. This zone's clear. Let's move on to the next one. Come on, man. I know you're out there. Show yourself.
Watch your back. He might try to circle around us.
I know you're out there, asshole. Don't make me come find you.
That
How green do you think I am? Oh, come on out! Oh, God damn it! Never knew what hit him. Fuck! Crap! Yeah, we got a problem. Damn it! You're dead! Get this over with, punch. Pin down! Let's go get him! Go, go, go! When I bring it, asshole, give me your head shot! No contact, no contact! I need backup fast to conduct an area search.
Stay cool. He's here somewhere.
You think you're gonna hide from me, bitch? Think again.
Watch your fire. Can't just spray and pray here.
Quit hiding! Everybody watch out! This guy's getting creative!
Keep your head on straight. You got this guy.
Come on! Yeah, I've got nothing here. He must have left the area. Keep your eye out for any new signs of movement. Ah! He's right there! Ah!
Watch it. Reinforcements inbound.
But he's gotta be around there! You can do this all day long, asshole! I've got something for you! Come on, show me what you got! Got you covered, get in there! I'm going in after this guy! Cover me! Okay, asshole, let's play! Let's go! Come on, man up! Show yourself! He's not here! Watch your backs! Quit! Shit! You wanna play games now? Let's get in there and get him! Go! Get ready! We're going in! Go, go, go! He's gone! Did you guys see him move? Better hide. Stack up and watch your zone! Let's do this! Move on out, fucker! There he is! Take this, bitch! Wow! He must be getting close if you're trying stupid shit like that! Move it, go! How long you think you can keep this up, huh? That's what I thought! You're a chicken shit! I can't see him anywhere! Get up! Come from over there! No way we're gonna go in there! Why don't you come to us, asshole? Guess again, asshole! We're not gonna wind up like those other guys! Oh, fuck no, we're not going in there! How stupid do you think we are? Fuck that! We're staying right here! Yes again, asshole! No way am I going in there!
I didn't get that. Say again?
Heads up, we got trouble. More tangos inbound.
It's right over there. Looks like trouble. No contact. Repeat, no contact. Oh, mother shit! He's over there. I don't have a fix on the target. Take him out. I'll cover you.
Cannot get a visual on the hostile. need backup! I say again! Let's get this done! Hold position. I say again, hold position. Jesus Christ! Contact spot! Can't see the hostile. Fan out and hold position. We'll wait for him here. The area's compromised. We're gonna hold position here. Stand by. We're gonna wait for him right here.
God damn it! Contact in sight!
No contact. Repeat, no contact. I don't like the looks of this. Hold position. Negative, no good. The area's compromised. Hold position. Hold position. We'll wait for the target here. Hold up! Let the target come to us! The area's a no-go. We'll wait here. Hold up! We'll wait for him here.
No go! Can't see the target! Backup! I need backup! No contact. I'm continuing to the next sector.
I don't have a fix on the target.
Oh, mother shit! Jesus Christ!
I do not have a visual on the contact.
Oh, guys, shithead! Can't see the
Nothing!
hostile!
It's gone! No sign of him. Spread out.
There's no sign of him. He's gotta be here somewhere.
I don't have a fix.
I got him.
What? Oh! Right! I got movement! Target's hit. Can't engage. Contact lost! Fuck me! God damn it! I'm gonna lead on the hostile. I think he's over there.
Hold position. I say again, hold position. Man out, hold position. We'll wait for him here. The area's compromised. We're gonna hold position here. Oh, way! Stand by. We're gonna wait for him right here. Your ass is kicked. You hear me? I don't like the looks of this. Hold position. Fuck! Target.
Prepare yourself.
Hostile is nearby. Looks like we got a hostile in the area. Spread out and find him. Great. Everybody stay sharp. The target is sound off. I'll take it from here. I'll get the guy who did this. Count on it. You're gonna wish you never fucked with me, asshole. Let's go, formation! We're going in that way! Let's go, formation! We're going in! Fuck! That's good, Bob! Stack up! Get ready to move! Let's move! Move it! I'll give you money! No sign of a hostile. I need backup of my location. I don't have a fix on the hostile. Please advise. Shit! Still in hostile. Find him. This fuck hell no. Not gonna happen. No sign of him yet. Still no visual on the target. Do not have a fix on the target. Anybody got him? Still no visual on the hostile. I don't have a visual on the target. Oh, man! I think I got something. Check that position. The target's concealed. Can't get a visual. You're covered. Clear to engage. I'm gonna get in clear. Can't engage. Contact. No visual. Contact. Target in sight. Target is concealed. Give me some backup, Bruno! Area's quiet. Still no... Ooh. No sign of movement. Target may be KIA. Go find the hostile. Everybody keep your eyes open. No movement. No sign of a hostile. Oh, damn! God damn it! I'm gonna get this son of a bitch. That's it, asshole! You're on God! Subject is good! Motherfucker! No visual on the contact. I can't see the target. What's this crap? Can't engage. Right there. I think the hostile is right there. Let's get him!
Moron's lucky to have you. You were a ghost out there.